aircraft will be rolling together 360 degrees. Precise control and confidence will be shown by the Jupiters. We name it as the Jupiter Row. Coming out from your left, the Jupiter Arrowhead Loop. Well, as a leader, our Jupiter #1 is Major Ferry Yunali, call sign Mirage, the commanding officer of 102 Squadron. The show is about to begin. And Singapore, be prepared for Jupiter Loop and breakout. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as a lead synchro or Jupiter #5 is Major Sri Martin Raharjo, while at the opposing solo or Jupiter #6 is Major Marcelus Liger Dirgantara. Give them your loudest scream and applause for the synchro. A very tight coordination between the synchro is the ultimate holy grail for the maneuver. And now the synchro is performing the maneuver called Jupiter Wheels. Both aircraft make a horizontal line at the same altitude, same speed, and of course in a minimum distance of 10 feet away. Beautiful, ladies and gentlemen, the synchro coming up front with the Jupiter's wheel. Completion. And for today, act as Jupiter #2, Captain Ribdo Mohawk Utomo, and Jupiter #3, Captain Abri Cita Arvianto. From the right of the stage, the synchro will demonstrate an extreme two-ship maneuver, flying proudly. The synchro with the mirror. From your right again, a superb dynamical G in a confident manner for a magnificent show. We call it Screw Roll. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, as a symbol of love to all of you, coming up front of the stage, the Heart Maneuver. Oh yeah, give them the warmest support for the 1, 2, 3, 4 aircraft rolling. All the pilots show their graceful handling like no other. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, another jaw-dropping maneuver will be shown to please all of you. much hesitation or fear.
Jadikan kita bangga Indonesia.
And now for the second chance. Oh yeah, throw him the greatest applause for the Jupiter 6. Meanwhile, 5 aircraft on your right, Dennis Guard, Lou. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, from now on, 6 aircraft will join up and prepare to perform an aggressive twin reposition of the wingman. Next performance from your left, the Jupiter with the rollback. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen,
Kau ada di dalam hatiku. Selalu akan tetap memujamu. Pasti kita terbanggi.
sing aboard the finale from the Jupiter, the Aero Head Loop and Dive Bomber.
Seiring berjalannya waktu, serasa hidupku. Karenamu aku kan terus terpacu olehmu selalu.
Beautiful ladies and gentlemen and our distinguished audience, that was an honor for me, Captain Anwar, with all of it to guide you through the entire show. We do hope all of you enjoy.